Hey, what's going on? Hope you're having a great day today because I have a jam-packed video for you. So make sure you stay tuned, get focused, because in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make $10 multiple times. And I'm going to share with you a tip and also a hack that you can make more than $10. So that's the beauty about this. So make sure you watch this all the way to the end. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, my name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways that I can share my knowledge with you so you can go out there and you can crush it right away. So don't forget to hit that bell notification. Make sure you like this video if you like it. And if you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe and become a part of the family. For my regulars, happy to have you here. It's always great to keep seeing you watching my videos over and over again so I can inspire you so you can go out there and you can take the information that I bring to you and you can go out there and you can make money. So I always tell people that it's not all the methods that you need to try. You need to focus on using one method. I've created multiple videos and there's always people that say, well, I don't even know, I've tried this and I've tried that. Yeah, some of you try one method, it probably didn't work, and you gave up after your first try. So if that doesn't work, try again, but don't give up too easily. Keep going, keep pushing, and I can tell you that you will get results. That's how you have to do it. So I don't want to take up too much of your time. We're going to jump into things right away. So we're going to get started. I'm going to share with you how you can make $10 multiple times. You can earn $10 over and over again just by doing this simple method. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end. And if you're looking for my number one recommendation where you can make more money and passive income, check out the first link in the description. I'll send you that over right away. So that way you can get started and you can make money for yourself and also for your family. So let's dive into things right away. Now, some of the websites that I'm going to share with you, yes, it can be done worldwide because there's a lot of people like overseas and they want to find a way how to make money. Now, you can do this anywhere in the world. Some of the methods that I'm going to share with you can be done. So you just have to apply. And some of these companies pay via PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, I do apologize. But that's their number one recommendation is through PayPal. So let's jump into it right away. And the first website that I'm going to share with you how you can earn $10 multiple times over and over again, and it's fast and it's easy money, is utest.com. So utest.com is a particular website which you get paid, just like they say, get paid to shape the digital landscape. So they're looking for freelancers. They're looking for people to test apps, they test websites, and they want you to check out the different websites to see if they actually work. So let's say you go and you try to shop and something didn't go correctly. You could then give your experience of how that was. And if you come down here, there's people already giving great reviews. This person, like 16 minutes ago, he's promoting some things like from Udemy as well. And they share people from all different platforms. They come on here and they promote whatever it is. So if you want to join like UTest, you just click on here. You tell us about yourself. And make sure you put your first name, you put your last name, put your email address, your date of birth. Make sure if you speak English, you put English. If you don't, you could just change it. They put English as default, so you could change that. Male or female, and then next location, where do you live, all that type of stuff. And they want to get as much information. And some of these, they do require you to install something maybe on your phone or on your laptop. And the reason for that, because they want to track your activity, your behavior, and how you operate when you're on the internet. So it's not harmful. You don't have to worry about, okay, are they going to take my information? But UTest would like to get people in all different languages, right? All fields except languages are required. That's what they're recommending. So English can make you eligible for more opportunities. So if you speak more than one language, it's great. If you speak English fluently, that's even incredible, because what they're going to do, they're going to send you tests via email. And every time you get a test, then you get it done and you could get you can earn $10 over and over again. But here's the beauty about this. They don't send tests so often. That's the only thing that they don't send tests as often as possible, but you will get invitation for you to test different things. So that's why I'm sharing with you another website that you could come. So trymyui.com is the same thing. You test, you check websites. So you watch videos of real people on a particular website. So you gotta have a headset, you gotta listen, you gotta pay close attention. And if you scroll through here, remote usability testing, set up your test, write a list of tasks that you want the users to perform on your website, and pick your target user, watch a video. So these are some of the examples that people do. So on a desktop and mobile example, you could see on both. Majority of people have a mobile, so I'm gonna click on this. So see the example right here, see an example, you can click right here, and here it is. Let me turn this up for a little bit.
Thank you for letting me participate in this study, and I hope that my feedback is helpful. Special criteria. Please say out loud how you meet the following special criteria asked for by the customer. Must not have used Duolingo before. So yeah, I have not used this app, so let me continue to frame of mind. Your frame of mind. You're going on a vacation to Italy next month and you want to learn some basic Italian for getting around while.
So you see exactly what you're doing, right? This is a mobile usability video. So if you come over here, you could see the task script. He's basically just reading from what is shown on this specific app. So it's a recording, as I mentioned before, you're probably gonna need a good mic. If you don't have one of those headsets, like one of these, if you don't have like one of these, that's totally cool. You can get the one that comes with your phone, but just make sure you go somewhere that is quiet, so that way you don't have a lot of disturbance and there is no noise and all that type of stuff. So make sure you get that right away. So you don't want to have too much noise. So once you come down here, you could see the examples of how it works, and you could check it out. So you click where it says get paid to test. Once you click on here, then all you have to do is just put your full name, put your PayPal account. Just like I said, some of these companies, they pay via PayPal. If PayPal doesn't work, unfortunately, I'm very, very sorry. Hope you can find something that use anything, but most people use PayPal because it's easier for them to pay all over the world. Password, you can create your own password. Make sure you click you're not a robot. So if you read through here, you can see, as I mentioned, you will get paid $10 for each test that you do. And it's approximately like 20 minutes to do a test. So you can make $10 in 20 minutes. So imagine that you could do at least one of these a day. For the entire week, that's $70 that you did not have. Now, this is not gonna get you like super duper rich, but it could fill a gap. You could pay a little bit of bills. You could pay for gas. You could pay little expenses. Maybe you buy shoes, clothes for your kids, all that type of stuff. So this is what I call like side money. This is not going to get you rich. It's not going to put you and take you out of, make you, you know, tens of thousands and $5,000s of dollars every single month, but it can make you a little bit of money here and there. So try it out. So the next website you could come is usertesting.com is another great website where you can earn money. And they do the same thing. You test app, you watch videos, you could see a demo right here. Once you sign up, they work with Walmart, eBay, Facebook, Patagonia, Expedia. So these are the top companies. And the reason why they use us and they use you is because it's more personal and it's better when you do a human touch, a human corporate. Because, yeah, let's be honest, robots are going to be around, but how much can a robot do? The robot can't do everything. So you as a human person can go in, you could feel, you could test, you can get everything that you can have done for these particular websites. So you could come through here, you could read up more about it. If you would like to get paid to test and you can earn $10 fast and make money, you could come on here, you visit website, you visit apps, you could get paid up to $60. That pay a little bit higher than everything else, and you could get paid. You could come through here and you could get paid via PayPal every 20-minute video that you complete, just like how I said before. And here's a hack, and here's a trick that I told you about that you need to stay at the end for me to reveal. You want to sign up for each and every one of these websites. I'm going to share you another one. Userfield.com is another great website. They talk about apps. They talk about different websites. Maybe you can go on a particular website where you try to buy. You're not going to buy something, but you go on there, you check and see if the card, you can enter your card properly. You don't have to if you don't want to. You check and see if the checkout is good. Can you add products to a cart? Can you look and see which is easier? Is the website you could scroll through? Did you find what you were looking for easy, or you had to like go around this particular website? And that's what they're looking for. So here are some of the websites that you could go and you could check it out, and they will tell you to go on Office Depot, TripAdvisor, 99 Designs, there's Target, there's Canada, Immigrants, all the type of stuff once you come on userfield.com. So you can run a userfield test to become a user. All you got to do is just click on here. And then once you click on become a user, as I said before, you can make $10. Each test lasts between 10 to 20 minutes. So that's what I was saying. Sign up for multiple of these. Sign up for all of them, because not every one of them are going to send you jobs in your email for you to test. So if you can't, if this doesn't work, maybe this one will send you a test. And if this one don't work, maybe this one will send you a test, or maybe this one. So the more of these you sign up for, the better chance you will have of having tests. So you will always have something coming in every day or every other day. So if you get, let's say, 5 or 10 or even 15 gigs today, maybe tomorrow you don't get any. So when you sign up for all of these, make sure you get them done, bang them out, and take 10 to 20 minutes to get the job done. So that way you could get paid. You could get paid via PayPal. And if you don't have a PayPal account, just go to paypal.com. PayPal.com, you could just sign up. Just click on here where it says sign up today, and make sure you just fill out all the information once it comes up. I just click on it. It's taking a little bit too long. It is absolutely free to sign up. You don't need to sign up for these card reader and anything. You just click on over here where it says sign up. And then once you sign up, you get your information. You can link your bank to it. And PayPal is easy. It's fun. You can get paid from anybody all over the world. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, my name is Andre. Thanks so much for subscribe, become a part of the family. If you're looking for a way how you can make more money without you have to do these tests and stuff, you want to learn a real skill, check out the first link in the description so I can send that over to you so you can take a look and see exactly what I'm working with, so I'd be able to stay at home. Right now, as you can see right here, it's 12:27 in the afternoon, and I'm shooting this video from home. So my son is outside, and I'm just going to go take a break, have some fun with them, and then get back into doing some more research so I could create more videos and content for you. So thanks so much for watching. My name is Andre. Hope you enjoy this. Peace.